Holy crap. Like, I knew we had to do an update on the car because we didn't get to see it with the front wheels on it. God bless. Look at that, my lens is fogged up. There we go, that's better. Dude. Yeah, you mentioned the gold wasn't holding up too well. Hey, it looks good though. We're not talking about the wheels though, we're talking about the calipers. But yeah, guys, last time you saw Stuart's car, we didn't have the front going. Now, so we got the Cobra brakes, drilled and slided rotors. Freaking sweet. Freaking sweet. How's she running? Other than cutting off a little bit. Hadn't, well, yeah, you right. It didn't cut off today. But guys, we're gonna get the old heads cam intake car out, and we got to do a little photo shoot and do some flybys. Oh, when'd you get the MRTs on?
That's right.
Sweet. So we got the MRTs on, got the new Maximum Motorsport caster cambers. Dude, freaking sweet. Oh, I didn't know you did the, is that new too? Silicone hoses? Oh, yeah, that looks great. Everything's all clean. Oh, man. Yeah, guys, definitely needed to give you a little bit of a break from all the Pop's car stuff, and had to get Stewie's car back out. Yeah, guys, there you go. The black on black. Still jealous, man. I'm still jealous. I need this interior. And you did the cup holder console. Looking good. We got one just like that for Project 4-8. That's gonna look sweet.
Chin spoiler.
Oh, that's right. I didn't show the chin spoiler. Hell, I hadn't even seen the chin spoiler. Yes, sir. Mach 1 chin spoiler. How much of a pain was that?
About 30 minutes.
Well, I've never done it on a Fox. I've done it on like the new Edge, but I've never done one on a Fox. That looks great. It works, you know. It just works. Especially an LX needs that little something extra in the front. But yeah, this car has come a long way. All right, boys, we're gonna go for a little ride. I haven't felt some heads cam intake power in a while. And you got the power seat, just flexing on me big time, dude. See, that cup holder console matches so good, like black and everything. I'm not sure the gray if it will, but
I figure the gray would match better than the black does. That's great.
Sounds good. It's peppy, man.
327 gears.
Yeah, it's definitely time for gears. But, I mean, you can wind it out top end for sure. Alright, so the question is, do the new tires, they grip bikini?
I don't know. You know, I ain't really got onto it.
She's strolling. It hooked up pretty good. Pavement's nice and warm, so hell yeah. does it feel? Car's awesome, man. I love it. So when you get tired of it, I got dibs, right? Alright guys, we're gonna get some quick pictures. Actually, yeah, I gotta roll the windows up real quick. There you go. Alright. Let's get some shots of this bad boy. It's only like 105 degrees out here. Guys, real quick note. After buying my nice expensive Nikon camera, I realized my phone takes better pictures and it's less work anyway. So, yeah, phone pictures. You don't need an expensive camera. Mine's sitting at home collecting dust. Oh, man. Super fun car, y'all. I'm telling you, this is so much like my 92 was. Just good heads cam intake, wheels. I mean, you cannot freaking beat them. I gotta make this. I gotta shut this door. My OCD, you know. Oh man, guys, if you don't know this car, go back and watch a video when me and Stuart went to get this thing. It has come so far. Everything all blacked out. Freaking love it. Alright guys, while we're at it, gotta give you a couple quick updates. We've got big news coming for the Viper Blue car in the way of our friends over at Silver Sport Transmissions. This car, when we originally got it, was going to be a Gen 1 NA, you know, whatever, Coyote, and the T56 that was in it, just stock 03 Cobra T56, be fine. But the problem is now it has this 2017 Super Snake engine in it, and the T56 isn't going to quite cut the mustard. So I will save the details for later on, but upgrade coming for this one. And also, guys, I had to show you all the custom brake lines are run. Dover's just kind of finishing up the mounting for the condenser here, but you can see all custom brake lines all hidden away. Freaking sick. I'm telling you guys, this is the next level right here. Jennings has got him one bad ride. And over here on George's car, Dover is like the mad AC scientist over here. attempting the goal, right, is
Trying, yeah.
is to hide all of the air conditioning, which, as you can see, is going to be a job. Yeah, guys, lots going on here. Custom stuff, you know, it's all one-off, so it takes a lot of time. Boomer's car, parts, just waiting on parts, lots and lots of parts. And we'll get rocking and rolling. There's this cable member right there. Ray's car, same deal on parts. And that's pretty much the update, guys. Should have some truck stuff here coming soon. Again, parts, you know. If anybody wants to like cash app us a couple, you know, $100 grand, we'll move it along a little faster. But until that time, we just got to do what we got to do. Obviously, more updates coming on Pop's car very soon. Gonna have that back on the road. First drive coming soon. You're gonna love that. And I think that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll be back because we got a lot of work to do. Later.